Welcome to Attack. In this video I will tell you that how to make GIF stickers on WhatsApp. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, download WhatsApp sticker maker from Google Play Store. You can download anyone. So open it, click on start creating your stickers. So regular or animated you can choose according to your interest. So I want regular. Then select the picture and crop it according to your requirement and click on create button. Input a name, click OK, add to WhatsApp. Baby has been added to WhatsApp. So again I will select a picture and I want to make a GIF for WhatsApp. Crop it according to your requirement and click on tick button and it's added to your WhatsApp. Again click on plus sign, crop it and click on tick button. Crop and click on tick button. So in this way you can make WhatsApp sticker in seconds. Now move to WhatsApp and I will show you that how these stickers looks. So click on emoji. Here click on stickers and you can see all the stickers I created now. So you can share it with your friends or family. So in this way you can make stickers on WhatsApp. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.